Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a quick mail Andreja Primo Footsas in the shop. It had came in because of one being that the top valve that goes right under this bolt here had snapped in half at the tip. As you can see, this is the part that kind of pushes down into your machine. And whenever you pull this lever up, this whole thing pushes up, allowing the water to go in your group head, while also letting this bottom valve plug itself up so not everything runs straight down. And so we replaced that with a brand new one. Also, we did a tune-up on this machine. Pretty much what a tune-up is. Removed the shower screen and gasket. As you can see here, this is your original shower screen. And then your gasket was pretty hard. As you can see, it'll actually crack if you squish it, which not good. As you can see, it was really drying out. So we replaced it with a brand new one. Cleaned it inside, all the coffee buildup inside the group head that we can. Also, making sure that there's not a lot of coffee in this bottom valve. We did fully soak this bottom valve in coffee detergent just so we could clean everything out, and backflush the machine because there's some little revenues right here that coffee builds up. Also, we descaled your boiler plus your heat exchanger, descaling the boiler through the hot water tap, and then descaling the heat exchanger through brewing. And then also we did clean your steam wand up. There was a little bit of coffee, but we were able, or a little bit of milk, but we were able to clean that up with milk detergent. And so we're gonna brew a shot. Here is our portafilter with our test coffee. Put this in there. And we're just gonna start brewing. Don't worry if this runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate our beans or our grind to the machine per se. But this looks like a pretty decent shot actually. Looks great. And we're brewing at about 10 bars right now, which is really good. Now we're going to turn it off. All that excess pressure, since we pushed this lever down and it's compressing this side of the valve, it's shooting everything down to the bottom. All that excess pressure. That is a beautiful shot of espresso. Really great. Now we're going to test the steam one. This is a four-spouted steam one, which is really good for making milk. And then also we are going to test the hot water tap. Alrighty. And we're all set with this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.